Hello, and thank you for checking us out at Comfort Master Heating and Air. I wanted to go over one quick topic or question that comes up, especially in the spring or fall, and definitely some in the summer, is people calling and saying that their home feels sticky or the humidity is elevated in the home. And the key topic I wanted to go over today in relation to that is making sure that your fan setting on your thermostat is set to the automatic position. When your air conditioner is running, it works, not only does it cool the home, but it also works as a dehumidifier. And when that unit is running, it pulls moisture out of the air and it drains out of a drain pan and drains to the outside. So if you have the fan setting on your thermostat in the on position, with the fan running all the time, when the air conditioner shuts off, all that moisture that has collected on that indoor coil is going to turn around and evaporate back into the home. So having that fan run continuously sometimes seems like a good idea for filtering, and it does help filtering, but it can drive the humidity up in the home. Ideally, we'd like to see that humidity around 50 to 55%. And if it starts creeping up and getting close to 60, something needs to be checked out. But again, remember, summertime use, especially in our humid area, make sure that fan is set in the automatic position. Thank you for checking us out, and we'll see you next time.